If you want to fix the network connection problems on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center, then open the connection section in your control center. Now at the top of the screen, you will find the option of airplane mode. Now just tap on it to turn it on, then wait for a few seconds, then tap on it one more time and turn it off. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just take out the SIM card out of your iPhone and insert it back in. But if you're using an eSIM with your iPhone, you can skip this step. After you've done that, then force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this also did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then select Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go to Settings and tap on General. Go to Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is to go to the General Settings and under General, just go back into Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and this time just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. And this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings on your iPhone in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the connections problem on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.